Adapalene is a game changer for acne treatment. It's one of the most effective over-the-counter solutions, but using it correctly is key to getting the full benefits without the drawbacks. Let's dive into how to use Adapalene for the best results. How to use Adapalene. Clean your face, use a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel and ensure your face is fully dry before applying Adapalene. How to apply Adapalene. A pea-sized amount of gel is sufficient for the entire face. This can be divided into 5 zones, 1 for the forehead, 1 for the right cheek, 1 for the left cheek, 1 for the tip of the nose, and 1 for the chin. A 15-gram tube should be enough for 1 month. Ensure not to underuse or overuse the gel. Underusage results in poor response, while overusage can lead to more side effects like dry skin, redness, and a burning sensation. A pea-sized amount enough to covers your face. Divide it for the forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin at night. Night application protects you from sensitivity of the sun, so apply it at night. What to expect from Adapalene. You'll start seeing improvements in 2 to 4 weeks, with full benefits in up to 3 months. Consistency is the key. Why Adapalene works on acne. Adapalene opens clogged pores, reduces sebum or oil production, and acts as an anti-inflammatory agent by reducing inflammation. It's a very effective drug that acts in multiple ways to combat acne. You can watch my video Why You Get Pimples if you're eager to know why you get this nasty pimples. Side effects include mild burning, redness, and dry skin are common initially. Itching and irritation may also occur but typically subside with continued use. Adapalene is generally not safe during pregnancy and breastfeeding. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tips and insights on acne treatment and skincare, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.